goodness. Yo, Dr. Bucket! Dr. Bucket, my man.
Yo.
Planning his next surgery.
Please, I want to give him the Illumina orb.
He needs it. Hi, Morgan.
For his experiments.
Welcome to Ride or Die.
What?
Welcome to Ride or Die.
Oh, I got it.
Explain.
If my power goes out, I'm sticking here till the end, baby.
Wait, come closer. Come closer, my beautiful.
What? Sorry, you cut out as soon as you were about to explain it. What?
If my power, I'm staying here until my power goes out or some other horrible tragedy happens.
Oh, me too.
High five.
You and me are on the same, are literally on the same grid.
Yeah, literally.
Actually, not even that, because you had power before me. But I think you had a different energy provider.
Mine is just a tad bit more stabler than yours. Just a tad.
I was saying, my house is less of a fire hazard, though.
Oh, Morgan, I live in a fire hazard.
Ours is too. We have so many electronics plugged in.
Oh yeah, well if your room caught on fire, you can escape through a window. I'm doomed.
Barely.
My door's jammed too, so it's even worse.
Yeah, and you wouldn't be able to touch the handle because it would be hot.
Yeah,
You'd be
I just
dead.
had to burn off my hands. It's okay, at least I got a cool scar out of it.
Where's Primo?
Anyway, from these horrible morbid topics, I love Pokemon. It's so cute seeing Inky dance.
They're holding hands.
Romantic.
Aw.
Get romantic.
I thought those were tongues.
No.
Kind of. Tongue
Who is
hand.
that? Is that Primarina singing?
La 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 la.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, I do.
Baby.
Where is she?
Where is baby? Hi, you
Yeah. I got past Dark Dome.
Oh, nice.
You know why? Because I was just like, you know, I'm gonna make a whole ass
What is the Viper
playlist.
doing over here?
You gonna kill. Continue,
Okay.
Morgan.
I want to make a whole ass playlist of just because I was gonna turn off the Doom music and just listen to like a playlist of Spotify. So I made a playlist specifically for getting through this level. And of course, Skimbleshanks was on there, and honest to God, that song was like the clutch song. So
Which version of Skimbleshanks?
The newer one.
Oh. It's not the same without hearing said Blippi.
Well, you think the fucking Sephiroth version's on Spotify?
Should be in that code.
I hear. Sing for me, my angel of music.
Sing for me!
There she is!
There she is! Holy crap! Everybody applaud! Woo!
I'm so mad that I didn't go that route.
Yeah, you ruined her performance next.
It's okay, I'm gonna redo the level.
It's okay, I'll see her performance again. What's he punching at? I updated my Spotify playlist actually recently, Morgan, so.
Which one?
Wait, what's...
My 80s.
Wait, hang on, what playlist... What? How did... You put Skimbleshanks on a Doom playlist? Sorry, I just now processed that.
Why wouldn't you?
I just kind of went through and I just added whatever like wacky songs there would be. There is okay, let me list out. Okay, the playlist is literally in all caps. I am going to beat Dark Dome and Aliens Vendetta. Oh, shut up, Storm.
Nix, why are the visuals so flashy?
Skimbleshanks, the railway cat.
The cat.
And then I would appear. That's such a good like part of the song where like he just comes out and he's just, and then I would appear.
Skimbleshanks, the railway cat.
Sheridan, can you do it? I'm looking for wire.
Yes, yes.
I'm looking for rope.
You're looking for rope?
Isn't rope like slang for dick, or am I missing something?
I don't know!
Sheridan, you would know.
No!
Freak.
I don't know how to spell Skimbleshanks.
Skimble, Shanks. All one word.
Skimble?
Skimble.
How it sounds.
Shanks.
Skin, but with an M, and then B-L-E, and then Shanks. That's how you spell Skimbleshanks. You got that?
Oh, okay, I did it right. Okay.
Is it blank? Oh, fuck.
No. Calm down. Relax!
Seriously, where's my goddamn... Uh-oh.
There you go. I was playing the whole thing. Alright.
Yeah, baby.
I gotta turn down the stream volume for this, baby.
I gotta mute Nick's stream and leave the stream just to, like, experience this journey.
Doing the title thing, re-mute everyone just so you can listen to it.
I hate you guys. I'm muting.
Come back!
I love Skibble. Fucking, I love fucking. Skimbleshanks, I love you,
It's like you're getting waterboarded by him!
Oh,
He's
Shanks!
trying to drown you!
Around!
Dang it.
He's in my luggage. Down my treasure!
Now.
You're drinking Sunpiss? You're drinking Sunpiss?
Yeah.
How could you say that?
No, it's
That
sun
was
piss.
loud.
Sheridan said pit. Oh, sorry, my mic's right here. I was trying
No,
to
it was
reach
the
down.
thunder. The thunder was loud. You're not loud.
Here comes Luigi.
Was it? Thunder!
Please. Please.
Is the bot
hit
muted?
At least once.
What happened to the bot?
I
It's
think
like
it's
muted
scary.
Skimble, but he just stopped. Skimble? Oh right, he
Skimble.
did!
Skibble!
That's what happened to him. He like turned into dust like in the movie. Oh wait, no, it's a tap dancing part.
Okay. He's fine.
Sorry,
hate that part.
Skimbleshanks. I
Just
didn't
kidding.
know what was happening.
And it's gonna get into the big musical number.
Yeah, baby. Let's go. Yes. We did it, boys.
Jordan!
Nice. Time to check the WAP.
The what?
The Fox 4 weather app. It's the only reliable,
Did you know that Fox 4 or Fox recently had a segment about Kingdom Hearts coming to PC recently?
Why?
Yeah. They're like, Kingdom Hearts is now on PC.
Live Tucker reaction to Kingdom Hearts being released on PC. This song honestly slaps.
Yes, fight. Fight.
Kill!
Yeah. Slap his worm. I mean, slap the worm.
Worm? That's
Okay, you're back.
Okay.
Weather time.
I'm gonna think about how I exposed y'all to this song, and then the fact that like we all agree that this song like actually slaps.
I like the disco element here.
And then I would appear.
Oh, it's just so
I just
beautiful.
I'm back. Where's
Yes, I'm
Skimbleshanks?
just imagining she's just singing Skimbleshanks right now.
What?
The Primarina, that thingy.
Yeah, Prima. Yeah, this is just, she's auditioning for the cast of Cats. But unfortunately, they're homophobic, so they don't allow seals.
That's messed up. Oh my god!
Nix!
Oh, I didn't know she would leave. I feel bad now.
Yeah, you should.
The violent things I want to do to your drywall right now.
I don't blame you. I didn't know that would happen.
It's
This is
screaming
the-
of
This is the
agony.
day din all over again.
They did all over again where you beat it up off the car.
I didn't know that would happen.
Oh, that's good.
You can look at the video that I posted on my Twitter to see that.
Is it still playing?
Yes.
It is. This is the part where he disappears into dust.
Bye, Skimbleshanks. And hello, Luigi Thunder.
Thank you, Morgan.
That's not the one I wanted, but
no,
you know
it's
what?
okay. This one's good.
It's good. Zero Oro's anthem. Yes, this exact version of the
I
song.
love this one.
With the thunder.
Whenever it rains, you will think of this song.
I always do.
Me too.
Yeah, that cell that's hitting Grandview is right about to hit us soon.
And is it
Like,
like storm shelter bad?
oh my fuck! Holy shit!
Was that thunder?
That was thunder!
I heard it through your mic.
Jesus! Beer back! Skimbleshanks. That song, man, this song fucks.
It really does. Like, it really, like, it's a good song.
It really is. Like, when I was listening to it while, like, having to battle, like, constant hordes of revenants and cyber demons and getting launched through the fucking air by archviles while I had invulnerability on, I was just like, yeah, this is a good song.
It's just so funny, like...
It's just how our perception of it is, like...
Yeah. I mean, honestly, it's always been, like, the most solid song in the soundtrack for me, besides, you know, like, of course, Dreams, but...
I think it's cute.
But it's a fun song.
Yeah, it's really fun. I just don't think that design of Skimbleshanks is
He's in
good.
the tree. The actual like musical one.
Yeah,
is
I heard that one's actually
I
good.
like him. The Cats 2019 one is
Terrifying. They gave him a British mustache. They gave him a British mustache.
They did.
They give him dumbass red pants. Actually, I like his red pants.
Just the lack of shirt.
It's just, but then again, he's got his nips to show to the world, and he's not afraid of it. His catnip.
Move. Turn around. Turn around, you
How do you not go crazy? Oh my god. How do you not get crazy for the music box?
Huh?
How do you not go crazy from the music box? Like, I would, like every time I hear the music box tune, I would, like, probably, like, get enraged.
No, I'm okay with it. It makes some of the animals it makes really happy, so I'm fine.
Yeah.
It's worth it. Oh, they
It's
sleeping.
Dudes be sleeping.
Dudes be sleeping. Wake up.
Skimbleshanks. I have one ear open towards the window in case shit goes down.
Gotcha. You'll be my tornado alarm.
Yeah, I will be. Skimbleshanks awake.
Right after the birth of Skimbleshanks,
Oh shit.
jeez.
Continue.
That song was like genuinely like stuck in my head constantly.
Good. It's gonna be stuck in your head again. And that's when I would appear. God, that's such a good like thing to like reference when like showing up again. Time to check the radar. My gator is going off. Take shelter.
I hate you for that.
That's when I would reappear. I'm back.
Welcome back.
Look up on that.
Bagabadus.
You think Sheridan's doing okay?
Yeah, I think she's fine. Probably.
The tornado got her. I'm so sorry.
If not, I would probably get like a text or something.
I mean, Yeah. The stealth tornado that secretly spawned in Sheridan's, like, in front of her house got her.
Yeah.
What was fucked up about it was that, like, it formed, destroyed her house, killed Sheridan, and then just dissipated immediately afterwards. An act of God. Oh god, I think it's fun for me now. Adios!
Bro, I promise.
Sorry about that!
Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong.
If I ever die, I just want to, like, look at the person next to me and say, adios! Like that one.
I
Like
love
that
the card.
one card!
I love that card so much.
I want to own it in real life.
Adios.
That's when I wanna
Hi guys, I'm back.
That's when I wanna be. That's when I wanna be.
I'm not gonna ask what I came into.
You already know what you came into.
Yeah, I really did.
Skimbleshanks.
That's when I wanna be.
Oh.
That's when I wanna be.
I like how it's almost like a Beatles impression too. That's when I would appear.
That's when I wanna be. Haven't done that in a while.
That's when I would appeared.
Yeah. Hilda.
God.
Hilda, you're a funny person.
Who the heck are you?
I'm Skimbleshanks.
Oh my god, it's such an honor to meet you.
I hate you.
I meant those words.
She's just standing there. She's standing there, like doing like that one character from Jimmy Neutron's face.
I just imagine doing her default pose, you know, where her hands
Yes.
are to herself, and she's like doing like the sway back and forth. The what?
It's not working.
Eat this apple.
Eat the apple.
Bite this onions.
No.
Bite this onions.
No.
I'll kill you.
No. Why is video games so hard?
Why? Good talk.
Why? Why?
Oh, come on. Why are you not Skimbleshanks?
I don't know.
Wake up, you stupid cat. Wake up.
Wake up, Skimbleshanks, wake up.
Stop! Your image is too large.
Your image is too large.
Your image is too large.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah,
really?
really. Yeah, really.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
really.
really? You want to
Yeah,
call
really.
this large?
Oh, O'Reilly.
O'Reilly!
Auto part.
Ow!
Can y'all transcribe
So-
a message for me?
Sure.
Yes.
Can you tell Mason that I love them very much, and they should stop studying macroeconomics for the night, because I want them to hang out with us.
Okay.
Thank you.
At the cock wizard. Stop studying and fail your test and come hang out with us, you freak. You goober.
Thank you. That's a pretty good one.
You've studied
That's enough, Morgan.
enough, you fucking nerd. Piece of shit. I will kill you with my Well, Gage, if I ever see you come to Texas.
Turks.
Fucker, I am coming for you, and there is nothing Florida police can do to stop my wrath. So come join us, please.
Send a smiley face.
Send in a smiley face.
There we go.
There you go.
That seals the deal.
What?
Hell, what does this mean?
Look at it!
Oh my
god, it's talking heads. And I was wondering if we were gonna add him in the game.
That is so cute. They were hanging out.
Aww, friendship.
I am your equal.
Makes me so happy to see Drifloons.
Here. Okay, did this come on fat?
Gudra!
The cock is
Look
trying
at
to be.
it! Look!
Aww,
Fat lizard.
so cute.
When you are a big fat lizard,
When you are a silly.
I hear him. What is he? No, that's just a rampart. No!
I guess I could just put stuff I enjoy. I enjoy
Dirt.
Kingdom Hearts.
The new seasons of The Simpsons.
Dirt.
Stale bread.
Stale bread.
Sonic,
And dirt.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Yeah.
Hedgehog. What else? Portal.
You gotta when you spell it hedgehog, you gotta like capitalize H and E to where it spells he. So you like emphasize the fact that you're a prominentist.
Oh, that's a good picture next. The Portal series, Pokemon.
And dirt. You should say and dirt twice.
Dirt.
Please
Are
put
you
that on your
asking-
list.
I did.
Thank you.
Yes. Do you think the D's nuts guy killed anyone?
What?
Just answer the question.
No? Hi, welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Mason, do you think the D's nuts guy killed anyone?
I hope not.
Okay.
Are you writing this down? Is this a test?
Don't worry about it.
No. I didn't make no oath on
Don't
anything.
ask. I don't know what she's doing. By the way, hi Mason, welcome to the thing. I don't think I got to say hi.
Mason, you failed the
How are you
question.
doing today?
Oh, what did I do? What
I
did
gotta pee.
fail? Oh, okay. Bye.
I'll tell you when I get
Mason,
back to you.
Alright.
Mason,
Yeah?
just a warning.
Uh-huh.
All of our limits have been reached tonight,
I can imagine.
so no filter.
Okay.
There's no, we don't have control over the things we say.
Alright.
Just
That's
warning
okay.
you. I made Ari promise that if I died in a horrible tornado, that at my funeral she would make at least one tornado blowjob joke.
Alright.
I just wanted to put that out there.
Still stand though if you aren't killed by a tornado.
Yes, that's in case I am killed by a tornado. She has to make that joke.
Okay. So if you're killed by normal causes, keep that out of the
Yeah,
funeral.
exactly. Glad you understand.
Mhm.
Whoa.
Oh! Oh God!
Skimbleshanks, the one-winged cat.
That's good.
Yeah,
Why are
that's
you
good.
growling at me?
Man, this area looks like the first place you see Sahelanthropus.
Sigilif!
Shut up, it does.
Jigglypuff!
Ba-da-ba-da.
The one where you hang up the down. And Skullface is just like,
Yeah.
I hate Skullface. I'm glad he's dead. I'm glad he got killed.
That sucks.
I'm glad he
This place
got
rules.
killed by Huey. I mean, that's really
I
funny.
think Kaz should have been able to have that kill, maybe.
Yeah. But Kaz didn't have any arms to do it. Like if he used the shotgun with just one arm, it would have fucking hurt.
Well, that's why it was a team activity. You know? Fun bonding exercise
Oh,
between
this is
Big Boss holds his arm.
This
He's
is
like,
so cool.
Oh,
that's
this
so
is
cool.
so neat. Hello, Wander.
that's
Whoa.
pretty.
Oh God. Oh God.
Fucking hate you.
Why
That's
is he
security
interviewing
system.
me?
Psychically attacking you.
Yeah.
This is so pretty.
He's doing anti-white hypnosis.
Amen, brother.
This is the worst day of my life.
You are so cool.
Can't
I
get a
love
good
you so much.
font.
Will you like music?
What?
Music?
I like
Oh, look,
music.
him.
I
Oh,
love
me,
music.
yeah.
Me, yeah.
Aww.
This sucks. Mason, help me.
Why? What's going on?
I can't get a good font.
Whoa, Galurk. Morgan, it's your
Galore?
guy.
Oh, Morgan, it's your guy.
My strongest spell on you.
Morgan, look, Morgan.
Well, I am. He's a man.
Yeah,
He's
big
a
man.
He's
Big
so fucking
man.
tall. Don't throw apples at him.
Oh, that thing in the middle.
very sensitive.
I like how he looks like he has a band-aid on.
Me too.
So sweet.
It's so cute.
Oh,
Oh, not to.
You know what's a day I fear?
Hmm?
A day I fear is that the eventually the account who like runs the Fire Emblem, not the Fire Emblem thing, the account who posted the Fire Emblem thread is eventually gonna get like suspended or something. All those are gonna be gone.
Why would that
Look,
happen?
Look, it's on his
His
shoulder.
Twitter.
That is the cutest thing ever.
Print-
Oh, it's on his shoulder.
That is really cute.
That is
Put your head.
Who step on the bread? I did.
Oh god. I hate that meme.
What?
It upsets me every time.
What meme?
The who step on the bread?
Yes, the who stepped on the bread you meme.
What?
Wait, what? Is,
Oh,
Mason.
yes. I know what you're
Where
talking
did
about
it
now.
go? Yeah, where
I
they
don't-
make
I
a
don't.
celebrity, like a whole ass celebrity, like human being.
that thing? Oh no, I know what you're talking about now.
It's so weird.
I hate it. I hate it.
It's really funny though.
Raphael, my
You
beloved.
should print them out and put them in a notebook and like encase it in like amber, you
Mhm.
know, just so it's
Yeah,
for the
that's
future
pretty good.
generation.
Encase it with my mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes?
And amber, fossilized mosquitoes
Oh.
from amber.
Oh.
I see now.
Mason, you're a genius for that joke. You get 3 rotten eggs out of 10.
Oh, thanks. I actually forgot the joke. What was it? Can you remind me?
You said
Fossilizing
you
it
said
in
if
amber.
you said fossilize it in amber in case it goes.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, that
That's
one
your
was
own
fun.
joke.
Yeah, that was a good one, guys.
Sounds like Sims music.
Yeah, it does. Zimbabwe.
Yeah,
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe.
So.
Sul sul.
That's annoying. I'm annoying, but I'm cool. I'm cringe, yet
But
I'm
I'm free.
But I'm free. Why does he sound like Raiden?
I'm cringe, but I'm free.
And I'm Jackie.
And me, Jackie.
I'm cringe, but I'm Jackie.
Me cringe. Me, Jackie.
Me cringe? No. Me Jackie. This is a good roleplay session.
Two AIs talking to each other.
Do you think
Upside
Earth
down.
Morgan would be very good at Pokemon Snap?
Do you think Markiplier killed someone?
Wait, did
I
you
think
say
yes.
Arthur Morgan or Markiplier?
Arthur Morgan.
Oh,
Market
I
Morgan.
think I think he would enjoy it because he's a nature freak.
Oh,
he,
I
like-
see.
Cause he draws all the animals he sees.
Yeah,
I think
you're
he would
right.
like it.
Oh.
What
That's
the
always
hell?
been-
He's a little
that's
artist
always
boy?
been yeah, that's always been so endearing to me. He's an artist.
He's a solo artist boy.
Did you know that he actually created nothing?
What? The whole time it wasn't him?
No, it was Dutch and his opium fueled drawing sessions. Like he would just draw stuff and he'd be like, and Arthur would be like, I'm just doing this.
Yeah, I imagine Arthur just like writing in his own notebook and then Dutch coming along and taking it from him.
Dutch doodles in his fucking notebook like
Wow,
a
that's
5-year-old.
really good, Arthur. Can you draw me?
Shut up! Mike would be like, draw me, we're really fucking buff.
Can you do a voice for one of them asking if he can draw anime?
Arthur, you still, Black Lung, you still owe me, so, can you draw this character? Her name's Asuka from Evangelion.
Thank you.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is, but...
It's an anime thing. You wouldn't understand.
It's an enemy thing, Arthur. You wouldn't get it. Can you do the dugong?
No, the dugong
No.
is too small.
You're too,
Aw.
you're too,
Yeah, what are you gonna say, Morgan?
insufferable. I would say you're too small, but that's too predictable, so I wanted to say something more, like,
Wait,
cruel
what about
and...
the Squirtle?
Hang on.
Oh god.
Squirtle on his deathbed, about getting ready to talk about his will to his family members. Squirtle!
Oh god, why is
You
he
left me out of the will? Squirtle!
Oh.
Oh, I see him! Skimbleshanks! Oh, I'm gonna get you out of there! He's imprisoned.
Help me!
They imprisoned me!
Look at this one.
Really good.
Big head.
I love these little guys. Is that the Purloin or whatever?
Is a Esper.
Esper. I love these fuckers so much. They're
Same.
blank, vacant, yet powerful stare.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Take a screenshot, won't you? It'll last longer. Which
Claude?
version said that? Was it doing a clean version?
I don't know.
Shit.
It sounded
I don't
vaguely
know.
Claude, so that's why I went Claude.
Take a screenshot, it'll last longer. Take a screenshot, it'll last longer. Teach.
That's not
That-
Claude.
That's a Claude. that's Hilda. That's like Hilda. Like when she sees that Claude imposter, she's like, "That's not Claude." Also, look what they did to my man. Imprisoned.
What does this do? Oh?
Imprisoned for his crimes.
Yes.
I love the Skimbleshanks behind prison. It's really good.
Yeah, he's been in prison for jaywalking.
That's
Why do you
messed
hate?
up.
Oh, I scanned him. He doesn't like being scanned because he's got the big ears.
Oh.
He'd be like, "Don't fucking do that, dude."
Eat the apple.
Aw, Hank. So cute.
Hey,
So talented.
it's not my fault you got in the way. Big bat.
Owned.
What the fuck?
What is it attacking?
He's doing stuff.
He's just doing stuff for fun.
Oh god, I had the stupid
Pretty,
pretty
it's
horns.
freaking pretty.
Chandelure!
Cute. Come closer.
Still thinking about Sheridan's stupid event comic where it's like, not even the Mandalorian cares. So
What?
funny.
You are so special. You are everything. You're everything to me.
Thanks, Nix.
Not you.
I could care less about
Aww.
Fucking owned. Owned her ass.
Please. I'll make another Ven comic this time.
you. Sorry, you're just nothing compared to
Guys, I
Skimble.
found great news. I found a yellow key. I can free Skimbleshanks.
Yay!
No, he's hiding. Come back.
He's shy.
Come back. Come back. I miss you.
He's shy.
Skimbleshanks in my inventory.
Oh, he drinking. He drinking out of the water.
Oh, he's drinking.
Dudes be drinking.
Dudes be drinking.
Drinking what, Walter?
Walter.
I love calling water Walter. It's been the funniest. It's like the funniest thing.
It's one of the funniest.
It's one of the funniest things. It's one of the funniest things. Don't you know?
Don't you know?
It's an epic win on my end.
I'm glad we had the same thought.
I like that one.
That was Elmo with the flames rising in the background picture.
It
It
was.
really was.
Rise.
Away, cat. Oh, away.
Ow, my freaking.
You're to do on the weekend.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you know what do they call the people who like take care of graveyards at night? I feel like that.
Gravekeepers?
The gravekeepers?
Yeah, I guess.
Why?
And you guys are rising from the dead, and this is what I'm listening to.
I'm always rising from the dead.
Okay,
It's
Edgy.
You,
Like,
you
your
say that.
conversation didn't, like,
You say that as the gravekeeper like pushes you back into the grave because you're being an annoying edgy fuck.
Mason,
Yeah,
you
alright,
like got
buddy.
to come and start bashing my head. Back in there.
You're like, you're not ready to come out yet. I have to fight this one cacodemon with 1% health. Okay, I won against the
You look
cacodemon.
so grumpy when you looked at the apple.
Wow.
I got killed.
Wow.
I
That was a
killed.
sound.
That was sound. It's that time I was watching Keyman and the captions like just read sound.
You're so thanks. What else?
It wasn't like Pacific or anything. It just said sound.
Sounds.
It's really good.
Imagine being deaf and reading that, like, oh, yeah, thanks.
Yeah, real helpful.
Nice and calm, the caption says,
Nice and
as they're
calm.
attacking each other.
That is nice.
I
and
like
calm.
that. I like that image. They're having a scholarly discussion.
Yeah, they're talking about I don't know.
Steven
Stop.
Universe.
Steven Universe.
Arthur, sit down. I want to talk to you about Steven Universe.
Absol does look like a creature
Arthur,
that would enjoy
Arthur.
Steven Universe.
Yeah.
Arthur!
Arthur?
It's that time of night, fellas.
Arthur.
Arthur! I have syphilis.
Wait, hang on.
Oh, good idea, Nix. Good idea.
Looking directly at
I got syphilis from a Hell Knight.
Good job.
Ew.
Dutch got it too.
I think you should go all the way zoom in, Nix, because when you do the effect, it's gonna look even better.
It's gonna look fucking nuts.
You look inside.
It's gonna look sick as fuck.
I love how instantaneous the response of like crazy, insane is to when anyone says anything
You
like
gotta.
crazy, insane, unhinged.
It's
Oh yeah. It's programmed like genal
Yeah.
reaction.
Like, this is in my DNA now.
It really
Like,
is.
this is gonna, I'm gonna pass this on to my children.
Honestly, it is.
Am I on a hell ship?
Yeah, it's already good.
Oh god.
One bad blue pen, they just got a yoinky. I think that it's just good right this. It's just good like
Honestly, it is.
Nice
and
call.
Oh,
Where's it
where's
going?
it going?
He's so cute.
That's a good face.
Oh no. Big head.
this. That looks like a
Like
gloop cat.
basketball. Yeah.
Reminds me of a gloop cat.
Like, this is the houndoom that ate a bee. you know?
Yes!
Where do you work out? The library. Sorry. It's taking over my brain.
That's his power, bro. You're being
That's his
affected.
power. I'm really stepping on everyone's toes today. Jeez.
No!
Yeah, you are.
No!
You alright?
It's not.
It's not?
Wait.
Mason?
Mason, are you okay? Mason?
Mason? Oh my god.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't know. My brain. There's the wires crossed in my brain. There's like sparks flying. I'm trying desperately to have my thoughts. To have them.
I get that. You've made him angry.
What? Okay, I'm trying to remember what originally happened. Okay, so I took what you were saying seriously, and I was like, no.
That reminds me how my father's name is technically misspelled.
Wow. Well, how can a name truly be misspelled if you think about it?
Because his name is Jeffrey.
That answers it.
My grandmother was like exhausted,
Because
during the time, yeah, and like they like handed her the form while she was like still, exhausted, and she just went Jeffrey.
so it's just like multiple F's.
Oh, we're
Yeah,
going
there's, like, an
into the
extra
altar now.
F.
We're going to
into
be
the storm,
sacrificed.
Nick.
Oh, I guess we really are going to be sacrificed.
Is this story?
It is story, yeah.
Ooh. Sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
They
I feel
all
like something
fuse
out of a
into.
Pokemon movie.
Looks like that'll take you up.
Yeah, go in the beam.
So up we go.
Yeah, go into the crazy beam.
Teleport to one at a time. Why don't you come back to camp for a bit?
Alright.
This just totally isn't a bad idea.
He's
You have been
fried.
reincarnated.
I wonder what the main legendary is gonna be.
Arceus. Whatever. What the heck? Gone from Kill la Kill.
He's so ugly. Hi, Todd.
I got that so.
Did you say gone from Kill la Kill? I just processed that.
Yeah.
Yeah, gone from Kill la Kill.
Gone from Kill la Kill.
Wait, I just processed that as well. I was like, yeah, God from Kill la Kill.
Gone.
Wait. I don't even know what you guys are like referencing anymore, but I'm doing it anyways.
I feel like that's what happens with you with a lot of the stuff we say.
Oh yeah. Oh, most of it. You think I have any clue what you guys are talking about? No. I fake it. I fake it till I make it. You know, I'm like, okay, I don't think this is from anything in particular. It's probably just something they came up with, right? And I'm always wrong. But I never ask for clarification, you know?
It's Dio!